Hey, welcome to another episode. Got a neat episode for you today. Actually, ended up having a little bit of a warm spell a couple weeks ago. And this footage is from right about the beginning of December. I think it was like the 3rd or the 4th or something like that. Maybe even like the, I don't know, it was the first week in December. And we ended up having like 3 or 4 days of like 50-degree weather. It was like 48, 50 degrees each day. And I ended up going down to my dock on, I think it was like that Thursday or something. It was like the 3rd day it was super warm out. And saw a huge school of largemouth bass. So I snuck down there with my ultralight, and I snuck down there with my casting rod with a crankbait on it, and ended up having a pretty good time. So check it out. Water must have warmed up a little bit. There's a really big school of fish underneath my dock. Huh. It's fast. So you can definitely tell it's been warm the last couple days, because these guys are turning back on a little bit. That's cool. Oh, yeah. There we go. Yeah, that's a decent one. Little Panther Martin bass. That's a decent bass. Alright. Just throwing out a little Panther Martin. And they're loving this thing so far. Ooh, bunch of really small ones. Guys gotta wonder how a crankbait will do. Right after bite. Hey, there we go. Oh, what the heck is going on? That was a nice fish. Oh boy. Oh. Oh my gosh, look at this. What is happening? You guys, I think the bass came back in. Holy moly. What? So it's been warm enough for the last week that the bass are moving back into the channel. Huh. What? It is December and they're going after crankbaits. Yeah. That's too cool. That's a beaut. That is a beautiful fish. Look at that thing. Look at that. I'll put him back, and I think there's a whole mess of them out there. I think there's a whole bunch of them out there. We gotta check this out. Oh, yeah, absolutely. There's a whole school of them. This is crazy. So we got two of them on a Panther Martin, and I just got a bigger one on that one, on my crankbait here. Holy cow. There's like 1,000 fish out here. Oh. Absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah. Woo. Man. Bassarama right now. They think it's spring or something. They think it's spring. I don't know. Unreal. I'm gonna keep on casting this crankbait because that's what they're doing. There we go. Another nice one. Another nice one. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Woo! Look at these bass. These are gorgeous looking fish too. Having a bassathon right now. I can't even believe this. I mean, I think that's number 5 right there. Number 4 or 5. Let's keep going. See what's in the shallow here. Nothing. Oh man, this is crazy. Yeah. Oh, there's a whole school of them. It's one of them times you can't cast it out fast enough. Come on. Come on. Man, that's crazy. Whole bunch of bass in here right now. I don't know what they're thinking. Let's try another lure. I'll throw this little Panther Martin again. I'm still getting bites. Look at that. Another little one. Jeez. And the sun's behind the horizon, pretty much down. Well, these little guys are still chasing. The bigger ones, I can tell, are not really around or active now. Just wild. Hey, thanks for watching. Pretty sweet little session there, I would say. Not too often do you go down to the dock in December and catch about a half a dozen or so largemouth. Pretty decent ones too. Yeah, like I said, we had a neat little warm spell and they got active again and they schooled up in the backyard, and I just happened to see it one day and quick ran up and grabbed my fishing rod. So I'm hoping to have another video like this coming up. Actually, we right now this week we actually have some very warm conditions, record highs in the 60s. So I'm hoping to maybe next week I'll have another one like this, but we will see. If not, I'm gonna probably get out and do a little ice fishing this weekend. I don't know much about ice fishing, but I'm gonna give it my shot. Maybe I'll have something like that, so we'll see. All I know is in a couple weeks the catch and release early season trout season starts, and that is one of my favorite things to do in the early late winter into early spring. Absolutely love trout fishing, so gonna get out and do that here pretty soon. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time, and get out and do some fishing for sure, man. Things are getting good. See you later.